Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create drop-down menus in Shopify. Step by step. If you're setting up your store or just want to make your navigation cleaner and easier for customers, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a professional looking drop-down menu ready to go. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, click on Online Store from the left-hand sidebar and then choose Navigation. This section is where you can manage your menus and all the links your customers use to explore your store. Now you'll see two main options, Main Menu and Footer Menu. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the main menu since that's where most drop-down are created. Click on Main Menu to open it. Next, click Add Menu Item. Here, you'll give your new item a name. This is a title that will appear on your store's navigation bar, like Shop, Collections, or Products. Then, under Link, choose what happens when someone clicks on that menu item. You can link it to a specific collection, product, page, or even an external URL, completely up to you now. Here's where the drop-down magic happens. To make a drop-down menu, add a few sub-items under your main menu item. Just drag and drop the new links slightly to the right beneath the main item. This tells Shopify that those items belong inside that menu. For example, if your main item is shop, your sub-items might be men's, women's, and accessories. Once you've organized everything the way you like, click Save Menu. And that's it. Your drop-down menu is now live on your store. Pretty simple, right? Drop-down menus are a fantastic way to keep your store organized and make it easier for shoppers to find what they're looking for, which can even help boost your sales. If you ever need to update or rearrange items, you can come back to the same menu section and make quick edits anytime Shopify automatically updates everything for you. And there you go. You've just learned how to create professional looking drop-down menus in Shopify, all in a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips, tutorials, and e-commerce strategies. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.